Hey all, this is going to be a short lesson on learning from a video. So by the end of this lesson, we want to know how do we learn from a video. And very specifically, there are 5 things you should write down in your notes. So the 5 things are going to come from our poster you can see here. So our expectations for learning from a video: number 1, find a quiet place to work. Don't forget your headphones. Okay, part of you finding a quiet place is also making sure it stays a quiet place for others. So that's why don't forget your headphones as part of this point 1. Number 2, follow along with the video, taking notes. Remember to actually write things down. Don't just watch, okay? Number 3, gather the materials you'll need, such as your iPad, your notes, your pencil. If you follow the expectations of having these things before the bell rings, you'll already be done with this step. The 4th one is to stop, rewind, and rewatch whenever you need, okay? If you're like, oh, that went way too fast, I did not understand it, rewind it and rewatch it because you need to so that you can understand it. And number 5, if you have questions, ask a classmate or the teacher. Remember our 3 before me policy. Remember how you can put your name up on the whiteboard to indicate you have a question for me. Or if I'm free, you can come and ask me directly. Okay? Remember, the goal is to learn from the videos, not just get through them. Okay? Watching an instruction video is not the same as watching entertainment like TikTok. You need to actually engage with the video, writing down notes, answering questions, and you need to be actively listening to the information, not watching it on mute with the captions going, okay? So again, in order to learn, which is the goal, you need to not just finish them. The goal isn't just get them done, because we want to learn. That's the point. And it's not the same as just watching something like on TikTok, okay? You have to engage with the video. So you are going to practice that by actually engaging with a video. Let's go look at Schoology real quick. So here we are in Schoology. As you can see, the poster from this video, from the slides, is here, so you can see that nice and big and up close. And here is going to be your assignment, 0.5 learning from a video. This one labeled advanced, that is your first aspire to do activity. So if you complete learning from a video and you are on pace, go ahead and try the advanced as well. Learning from a video. Your activity is this. You will use the following video to learn how to make an origami butterfly. Use the paper provided to create your own butterfly, and we'll hang them around the room to help remind us that we can always learn new things. So you can see it is a 3-minute video. Okay. Now, if you already know how to make a butterfly, you kind of lucked out with this one. But I want everybody to create a butterfly and give it to me. You don't have to put your name on it, but you do have to be like, Miss Bell, I am giving you my butterfly so that you can mark my grade, because I'm going to give you a mastery grade on this. Basically, as long as you have a butterfly, you get mastery. Like, it's okay. There will be paper for this at our resource center, special origami paper, so please don't try to use like regular white paper. We have special origami paper to make sure it all turns out right. And then you'll watch the video and make a butterfly and hand it in to me. Again, once you've created your butterfly, I said go ahead and try the advanced. The advanced is just, now that you've mastered that, here's 4 other things you can try to master. A lot of people like to be able to spin pens, or even do an origami rose, or learning how to juggle. So try to see if you can learn something else from a video. Finally, you will take your mastery check about learning from a video. It's 2 questions. Make sure you select all questions when you take that select all correct answers when you take that mastery check. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, when you are done with your mastery check, you can move on to lesson 6 and I will see you there. Bye.